issues that arose during the discussion?
Perhaps I need to give a background why we had this particular meeting. The key issues that were discussed first was the renewal of Agoa, because Agoa is coming to an end in September 2015. That was one. Two, there was the issue of ensuring that before the renewal, there will be need to review Agoa and ensuring that there's a mutual benefit between African countries and the US. And also there was the issue of that America should not link Agoa to other issues like the gay marriages, or about linking Agoa to EPAS. So those are the issues that we were discussing. And I'm also glad to report that I think it was a very good meeting in the sense that Africa was able to voice their concerns. And it looks like there was a general consensus that the renewal will be, the seamless renewal of Agoa will be there, but we are not quite certain whether the issue of gay issues or the issue about EPA will not be included, but it is only our sincere hope that they will not be included.
Do you think those issues can delay the renewal